My name's Greg Stokes. I'm a practicing attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. We work on serious injury and death cases. Today we're talking about Accident Reconstructionist. Who is he? What does he do? And how do lawyers make use of accident reconstructionists? Well, usually the reconstructionist may be an engineer, a traffic engineer, or he might be a police officer that has been trained in accident reconstruction. And many times when there's a serious crash involving automobiles or trucks, there's always going to be questions about who did what and who could have avoided the accident and how fast were people going and were these seat belts on and when did the person start braking. And invariably, where there's a serious injury or death in an accident, there's going to be a need for an accident reconstructionist. Now, many times, like in Georgia, we have the Georgia State Patrol, and there's a special team that's put together in any time there's a death on the highway. But many times, there aren't reconstruction teams provided by the police departments throughout the state. And what we've learned, it's really important right at the beginning of the case to bring in an expert. I'll give you an example. We had a case down in Valdosta. A woman was killed. A pulpwood truck made a wide right turn into a driveway, and there was a car to his right that slammed into him, and the woman was killed. Right off the bat, there was questions about, did he signal? How fast was he going? How fast was she going? When did she brake? Did she have her seatbelt on? Did the airbags deploy? Well, we hired a specialist. We sent him down to Valdosta. He located the truck. He located the vehicle that looked absolutely destroyed. He was able to measure the skid marks and the scuff marks on the road and reconstruct how this accident happened. And more interestingly, he was able to go to her vehicle. And vehicles today have black boxes on them, just like the black box you might imagine on an airplane. If there's a crash, they're always trying to get to the black box. Well, vehicles today have the same thing. And that black box will tell the speed of the vehicle. It will tell the distances that were traveled. It will tell when braking was first attempted. It will tell whether the seat belts were on and whether the airbags deployed. So right off the bat in that Valdosta case, our expert was able to feed us all that information that he had downloaded from her vehicle. When we were faced with making a claim against the trucking company, we already had the facts. And then when we looked to make it a policy limits case, that means have them pay the coverages that they should be paying to compensate for this tragedy, we were able to make a demand and have them settle the case for the full value of this woman's life. I hope you're never in a situation where you need to have an expert reconstruct an accident. But if you do, please consider calling us first. Our number is 1-800-700-5050, and we would like to concentrate on working with you for whatever has occurred in your life. Thank you for listening to this video.